2005 Bentley GT. Did a smoke test on the first video. Second video is going to show what the new metal lines look like. As you can see, if you follow up into the T right here, it's joined together by factory rubber cloth hose with the crimp clamp locks all the way through. Tubes are bent just like the originals. Here's what the original plastic ones look like. Right now we're going to perform a smoke test to guarantee that the work is good and there's no leak. See the smoke machine on in the video. I'm going to put it right here to this port. Make sure that this line here and this line here are capped. As you can see, there's no smoke, no leaks. Everything looks original. And when the cover's put back on, can't even tell it was even modified. I'll never have this problem ever again. That's what the smoke machine looks like when there's not a leak. Balls all the way down. That's the correct way to repair vacuum leaks on the early cars.